Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick video. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to hide your story from specific people on your Instagram. So if you want to post a story, but you don't want certain specific people to see it, I'm going to show you how to do that coming up.
All right, everyone, we're currently on my phone. So of course you're going to want to launch the Instagram app. Once the app is open, before you post any story or live video, you're going to want to select the three little dots in the top right-hand corner, and then select Settings at the very top. Once that opens, you're going to want to select Privacy. And then from here, you're going to go down to you see Story and select Story. Now at the very top, you see Hide Story From and 0 people are selected. If I select the 0 people, it'll bring up all my followers, and all you have to do is select who you want to hide your story or live videos from, and then select back. And as you can see, 3 people are now hidden from my story. So when I post a story or a live video, they will not be shown to these 3 people. If you want to turn it off, all you have to do is go back in. The people that you hide them from will be selected, and you can just deselect them, head back, and as you can see, they are now able to see my story. So hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.